Welcome to our channel, Superfruit Symphony, Nature's Healing Power. Health Trends 2023. Here we bring you the latest trends and insights in health and wellness. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of health trends for 2023. From nutrition to mindful drinking, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. The health trends of 2023 are nutrition, immune health, at-home devices for skin and body care, increased activity and exercise, cold water therapy, women's wellness, sleep syncing, mindful drinking. Health trends number 1 is nutrition. First up, let's talk about nutrition. In 2023, people are becoming increasingly conscious of what they put into their bodies. With the rise of organic and plant-based diets, individuals are embracing healthier food options. From superfoods to mindful eating, the focus is on nourishing our bodies from the inside out. Get ready for a life-changing event. The Superfruit Symphony. Nature's healing power. It resembles the symphony of Vita, life, the life-enhancing quality of superfruits. In the next video we are to unleashing the superpowers of superfruits. Colorful fruits and vegetables, healthy meal preparations. Health trends number 2 Immune health. Next on our list is immune health. Given the recent events, it's no surprise that people are prioritizing their immune systems more than ever. In 2023, we'll see a surge in immune-boosting supplements, herbal remedies, and personalized nutrition plans tailored to strengthen our body's defense mechanisms. Health trends number 3 is at-home devices for skin and body care. Now, let's move on to at-home devices for skin and body care. With busy schedules and limited time, people are turning to convenient solutions. In 2023, you can expect a wide range of high-tech gadgets designed to enhance our skincare routines, promote relaxation, and provide effective workouts from the comfort of our homes. The superpower of superfruits. Health trends number 4 is increased activity and exercise. Increased activity and exercise are also key trends in 2023. More and more individuals are recognizing the importance of physical fitness and maintaining overall health and well-being. Whether it's through traditional workouts, dance classes, or outdoor activities, people are finding creative ways to stay active and make exercise a part of their daily routines. Health trends number 5 Cold water therapy. Ever heard of cold water therapy? Well, it's making waves in the health industry in 2023. From cold showers to ice baths, this trend is all about harnessing the power of cold temperatures to stimulate circulation, reduce inflammation, and improve mental clarity. It might sound chilly, but the benefits are worth it. Health trends number 6 Women's wellness. Moving on to women's wellness, 2023 brings a heightened focus on women's specific health needs. From menstrual health to menopause support, the industry is stepping up with innovative products and services catered to women's unique requirements. It's all about empowering women to take control of their well-being. Health trends number 7 Sleep syncing. Sleep syncing is another exciting trend in 2023. As sleep becomes a priority for overall health, individuals are exploring ways to optimize their sleep cycles and improve sleep quality. From sleep tracking apps to smart mattresses, the latest innovations aim to create the perfect sleep environment for a restful night's slumber. Health trends number 8 Mindful drinking. Last but not least, we have mindful drinking. As people become more conscious of their alcohol consumption, mindful drinking is gaining traction. In 2023, expect to see an increase in alcohol-free alternatives, low ABV beverages, and mindful drinking experiences that focus on savoring the moment rather than excessive consumption. Remember, The health trends of 2023 are nutrition, immune health, at-home devices for skin and body care, increased activity and exercise, cold water therapy, women's wellness, sleep syncing and mindful drinking. There's something for everyone to embrace a healthier lifestyle. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Would you like to support me so that I could create more free content? Please consider buying me a Superfruits products at www.ulifetube.com. Until next time, stay healthy and take care. If you enjoy this video, please help building this channel to a higher level, so please smash the like button and subscribe. This is the first of a lot videos coming soon. Please get the next secrets keys of your true colors of life.